So, okay, right here is where the little glue sticky thing for the screen is. It's attached to the hinge. I just want the hinge. So I'm gonna see if I can pull out the hinge, but 9 times out of 10, I'm thinking that I'm probably still gonna have to end up pulling up the screen for me to fix this. And I have no replacements for this. So, no, this is just because I have to lift up the screen. I'm gonna have to pull it out. Okay, let's see. Now that- This is super weak. Hey, babe. Yeah. Can you help me? You hold the screen. Hold it. Just like, just hold it in place while I pull this stuff out. Get it? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh no. This is like supposed to be repair friendly. So there. That's out. Here's the hinge. And now you can lift up on there. So now you have to do, let's move this a little bit, this side. So I'm gonna have to have you hold for this, but for right now, I need to get it up. Again, it's this little black rubbery piece in the corner. Just grab a hold of it. Just grab a hold. You grab a hold of it. Grab it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh boy, it broke. Okay, let's see. If I can, I probably can't get a picture of this. This is crazy. I don't even know how I got stuck on this thing. Let me see if I can, show it. Okay, hold on. I might be able to do it. Alright. This is where it got stuck at. On the tape that holds in the plug for the screen. I'm gonna see if I can get it unstuck. Okay, so I didn't want to remove the hinge just yet. So I ended up unplugging the LCD. It has two different plugs, by the way. And if you want to know how to unplug it, actually watch it YouTube video from Compute Tech NYC. That's like all one word. So now I can put my whole finger in here and grab this. At least get it up. Okay. See if I can get this. That was it. Alright. Let's put this in here. Okay, alright. Jump out. So now I have the back of my screen. Here's where it came off. Now I don't know if I'll fix this one right now, just because it's really glued in there. But I definitely want to fix this side. I might fix that. I just don't understand. They got the screws in there. These screws are fake. These screws are fake. What was the point of that? They're just deep enough to hold these two brackets together, but not deep enough to hold everything else. Let's see if I can get it out. Oh, wow. Okay. I'll be.
Other way.
Alright, so the one hinge is the screws are messed up. When you take the screws out, you want to press down super duper hard, and they just sitting here like this. So I took this one out, the one that was already glued, and I'm gonna just try to do it with this one, just for the sake of it. And then it needs to be fixed anyway. But and then I'm gonna try to get this off or drill through it some. I don't know. So the bracket is glued on this one, and so it's not gonna come up. Luckily though, it makes it easy to find the holes. Oh my goodness, wildlife. Okay, 1, 2. we got our holes in here. We got our holes right here. Alright, so I got the wrong screws. So I got these screws. And you see how they have a big head? That was wrong. But then they're also too thick. I could cut off the head, and then I can even cut off this part and then leave the head sticking out. I really don't care. However, for me to shave this down, well, then it won't work if I shave off the threads. So I'm just going to go and get some other screws. As far as this goes, because I cannot get no screws today. Also, I feel like I should have either a head like this, or I should get more screws with a head like this. See how that is flat? So I have to do that. But in the meantime, I'm just going to go ahead and glue the hinges back in. And then when I get everything, I will go ahead and open it back up. So I'm going to do that now. Alright. So I messed up, and I'm like really sad about it.
You said double sided tape. You don't want to come here and find out what tape you want to put on there?
3M double sided tape. It could be thin. Like, you know, these.
Black tape, white tape, blue tape.
Huh?
Black.
Really doesn't matter. Okay. That's good. Now this, we're going to put some. Yeah, I think we have to.
That's $14
Yeah. Put the glue and hold it in place for a minute.
You're welcome.
Okay, so got that in there. And as you can hear my husband talking, we don't have the stuff for this screen yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up the bottom part. Oh no. Hey, if you're using this as instructional, just do everything you did opposite. I forgot that some of the hinge was underneath the motherboard, so I had to take that back out. Also, I got the wrong tape for the screen, so I had to go and replace However, the tape. I did break the screen all that because you got the wrong tape. It was super thick and it was very strong, and I couldn't get it off right, so I ended up cutting into my screen. It didn't work after that. So you can only see light. So now I'm probably gonna have to either replace my screen or explore my screen to see if I can fix it. Although I heard that there is some type of LCD liquid in there, so maybe not. Thanks again. Bye.